First of all, I'd like to know if anybody did their homework. Does anybody have land or water test results from the EPA before they're going on to try and determine how to rebuild Lahaina? And why is it that there's testimony sites in Lanai, in Molokai, in South Maui, in East Maui, and here, but nowhere in West Maui? And why is it that I'm always finding out about these meetings last minute? You are purposely trying to keep us silent in Lahaina. The Weston, the Civic Center, there's many places. You did it last week. I want to know where's the 95 million from Biden? Where's the 100 million from Bezos? Nobody in Lahaina is getting any help. Everybody's homeless, being kicked out of their hotels. Where's this money going? I want transparency. Does anybody have answers? I'm not just asking.
This is public testimony, sir. Please complete your testimony. This is not a Q&A session. Thank you.
Well, I've asked repeatedly for EPA results on water and land.
Sir, the agenda item is energy solutions. So if you could stick
The
to
energy solutions are BS, because this is all Biden's BBB, Build Back Better. Recess? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Thank you so much for your testimony. I don't see any hands for questions.
It
So
wasn't a
thank
forest
you.
fire?
No,
Okay, what was it?
not a forest fire. Wasn't
Exactly.
a wildfire either. And it wasn't your whatever. So anyway, please submit your ideas. We welcome whatever ideas you do have. If you want to continue to criticize, that's also your right to. But, at this point, we welcome more ideas than criticism so that we can all work together. Mahalo.
Well, when nobody gives answers to
I'm
any
sorry,
questions,
sir.
and we can't
You're
get in
done.
the county,
I'm gonna call a 5-minute
refuses to
recess.
bring us water.
Recess.